At sa puntong ito, makakausap po natin si Binibining Amalia Puentes. Magandang gabi, Amalia. Si Mike Enriquez ito.
Yes, hi Mike. I'm watching you
salamat.
from our room. Andito lahat, sila Titi, sila Cheng, Arlene, lahat ng kamag-anak ko. And of course, I want to thank you for taking the time out to get my side of the story, because it's very important for me na mailabas ko ang pangalan ng mag-asawang ito, na ang pangalan ng lalaki ay Peter Tan Likup and his wife Rosemary Likup, and we are filing double frustrated murder charges. I am now with my two lawyers here, and they're getting my statement because I want to do it as soon as possible, because I understand that my life is in danger because there are 3 loose guns that they possess, that this family possess, and I am now worried because kami ng anak ko pumunta lang naman doon para maningil and to bring the return check that of course they have to know, because in one unit, yung sa baba, 1 year na silang hindi nagbabayad.
Okay, Amalia,
pagkatapos, yung aking Meralco na nakikita nyo, ayun, natanggal na yung 1 meter base because of non-payment of 42,000 pesos,
Amalia,
which they refused to pay.
Okay, Amalia, ang sinasabi nung tauhan ng pamilyang Tanlikop, ikaw raw ang unang nagbanta at ikaw raw ang unang nanakit. Meron pa bang ibang tao doon nung nangyari yan, bukod sa inyo at ni Gerald? At yung...
No. Ito, pamamahay nila, there were 10 of them, and I am a 72-year-old woman. They are my tenants, and as a landlord, I will extend all my patience, everything, if only to make them. Kaya nga, umabot sila ng 1 year because they have been employing terroristic attacks on me. They have a vicious dog doon sa may garahe and nobody can go near. And when I confronted them about the missing meter base, siya nagpunta sa pulis at sinusunya ako ng trespassing. As a matter of fact, Rosemary Likup called me a magnanakaw. How can the owner of a house who can't even go near maging magnanakaw? Siya ang tinawag kong magnanakaw. Nagnanakaw siya ng kuryente. Because the meter base belongs to me. It's in my name.
Okay, Amalia, Martes pa lang daw, nagpunta na kayo doon sa bahay.
Yes,
Pakay nyo na rin na sitahin sila tungkol doon. Merong binabanggit na tumalbog na cheque?
Yes, sila ang tumalbog ang cheque nila. Nag-issue sila ng rental payment na 25,000 pesos na June 30, issued June 30. And kahapon ko lang nakita from the bank. The bank called me, so I picked up the Xerox copy. And that's why I went to their house para ipakita yung cheque so that dati naman ginagawa nila, sasabihin nila, papalitan namin ng cash, kung ano-anong mga palusot nila. Tapos, paalis na nga kami. I was just going to hang it in the gate. But then, masyadong malakas yung ulan.
Okay.
So, hindi malaman ng anak ko kung saan isasabit. It was at this point that they arrived. But we are not prepared to fight them ng gun by gun. My son has a gun, which he keeps in the house. It is licensed. But we are not ready to fight them in that level.
Sige, Amalia,
I want to fight them in the law of justice, and I want a nationwide manhunt for them. Peter Tan Likup, that is the name, and I am sure they're doing something illegal.
Sige, Amalia, nagpapasalamat kami at pinigyan mo kami ng panahon kahit nasa hospital ka ngayon para sa panayam na ito. Salamat ulit. Magandang gabi sa inyo dyan.
I have to, Mike, kahit na mataas ang blood pressure, I have to go through this because nakakatakot. My life and safety is at stake.
Naintindihan namin. Salamat, Amalia.
Okay, thank you also for giving me the opportunity.